farm book. Here's the cow. And the cow sleeps in the barn. What is the baby cow called?
Cat.
A calf. What does the cow eat?
Grass.
What does the cow say?
Moo.
All right. And who's the cow's best friend?
Mama.
Good job. There's the dog. Where does the dog sleep? Doghouse. What are the baby dogs called?
Puppies.
Puppies. What does the dog eat?
Dog food.
Dog food. What does the dog say? What does the dog say?
Woof.
Woof. Who's the dog's best friend?
Fucky.
Yes, the fox, buddy. Good.
Fox.
That's good.
It's the dog's
Yeah.
best friend is the fox.
Rooster.
Rooster. Where does the rooster sleep? Good
Chicken
job.
coop.
Chicken
Good.
coop. What are the baby roosters called?
Chick.
Chicks. What does the rooster eat?
Corn.
Corn. What does the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who's the rooster's best friend? The hen. All right. There's a pig. Where does the pig sleep? Pig pen. What are the baby pigs called? Piglets. What does the pig eat? Slop. What does the pig say? Oink. All right. Who's the pig's best friend? The rabbit. Bravo. There's a mouse. Where does the mouse sleep? In a hole in the wall. What are the baby mice called? Fuzzies. What does the mouse eat? What does the mouse eat? Cheese. What does the mouse say? Oopsies. Who fell down?
Cow's falling down.
Oh, cow's falling down. No fall down. Cow's falling down. Okay, Mommy, pick you up. What does the mouse say? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Who's the mouse's best friend? Yes. Excellent. There's the cat. Where does the cat sleep? In the basket. What are the baby cats called? Kittens. What does the cat eat? Fishing. What does the cat say? Meow. Who is the cat's best friend? Raccoon. Hooray. There's the horse. Where does the horse sleep? In the stable. What is the baby horse called? A donkey. What does the horse eat? Hay. What does the horse say? Neigh. Who's the horse's best friend? There's a donkey. There's a sheep. Where does the sheep sleep? In the field. Are we all done? The end. Can I get the book? Show Daddy the book. All right. The end. My big farm book.
Yeah.
Tractor. That's a swan swims in the water right here. He swims in the pond. Yes, good job. The swan swims in the pond.
The farmer.
The farmer, yes, the farmer operates the tractor. A toy car.
The farmer.
Yes, the cow is friends with the farmer. Cow. Horsey. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Where are you going, sweet pea?
Cow Bear. Can you throw a kiss?
Throw Daddy a kiss. Throw Daddy a kiss.
Horse.
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 Can you throw Daddy a kiss? Mwah. Good job.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Mwah.